Hi, team. Good morning, everyone. So, team, in yesterday's session, we started one new concept. We started that is stored procedures are started, guys. Stored procedure. Stored procedure started. Stored procedure means to write any program inside this stored procedure. The program stored in database permanently until you can drop, just like table. Once you create the table is available until you can drop, right? Same like if any program you want to store database permanently, then the program you should be placed in procedures. The second thing is once the program is stored in database permanently, then we have some advantages are there. One is reusability, guys. Reusability. First thing. The second thing is reusability means once the program is once the program is created, the program you can execute n number of times. That is, guys, okay. The program you can use a number of times. We can use. So next one is modularity. Modularity means a huge program is divided into subprograms. That is called modularity. Modularity main advantages are understand easily, and also we can easily debug the errors. These are the some advantages of stored procedures. And also in PLS scale now, all named block programs are stored with compiled format inside the database. No, the program is compiled with the compiled format. Means the programs are compiled only one time only. Once it is compiled and created, after that we can execute only. After that we can execute only. We can. Okay, guys. That is right, guys. Right. And yesterday we discussed some programs like stored procedure programs. Yesterday session we discussed it, guys. Procedures. Stored procedures. Some basic examples. Yesterday session we discussed to display welcome message and to find the sum of two numbers. The sum of two numbers, guys. To take values at runtime. To take values at runtime, guys. Then how to take the values at runtime? By using generally what you're using ampersand. By using ampersand. But thing is, by using ampersand, what happens now? At the time of compiling the program, the system is asking x value, y value, then your procedure is created. Means your procedure is created with your x value 70, sorry, x value 40, y value 70, then it displays output is 110. Again, once execute the same program again we got 110 only. Because at the time of compilation, we are inputted x and y value that is fixed. In this scenario now, to take values at runtime, to take values, then Procedures with parameters are supported, guys. Procedures with parameters are supported. That is right. So while calling the procedures to pass parameter values is called as procedure with parameter. Okay, procedure with parameters. While calling the procedure to pass parameter values, that is called procedure with parameters. Now, maximum 32 parameters are supported. Maximum 32 parameters are supported. The maximum, that is right, guys. Maximum 32 parameters are supported. Okay, guys. So C, write a stored procedures to find same sum of two numbers. So create or replace procedure. Procedure name is add underscore proc. Of means open bracket. Of X number, Y number. These are data types. Guys, don't mention the sizes here. Once you declare as parameters, no, sizes are not supported, guys. That is okay. Number only. Don't give number of 5, number of 10. If it is varchar, guys, just you can give only varchar 2 only. Don't give the size. Okay. Now, is begin dbms underscore output dot put underscore line same sum of two given numbers is equal to concatenation. You write down directly expression x plus y and slash and underscore proc slash. Now, see guys, yes, procedure created. Procedure created, guys. Now, calling procedure execute add underscore proc of 100 comma 200, guys. See, while calling this procedure, 100 is passed into x, 200 is passed into y, 100 plus 200, 300. Observe this. Sum of two given numbers equal to 300. Okay, guys, this is. Next time I'm calling the same program again with different inputs. Yes. This we are called as procedure parameters. While calling the procedures, we can pass the parameter. This is called to take values at runtime by using this procedure with the parameters. Okay. Now, write a stored procedure. Write a stored procedure to insert data into department table. I want to insert data into department table. I try to write one stored procedure. Means no need to write each and every time insert into DEPT values, not required. Just while calling this procedure, just I pass the inputs. Based on the input, our stored procedure executed and a record inserted. So create or replace procedure. Create or replace procedure. DEPT proc or DEPT insert procedure. Insert of what you are passing, guys. I try to pass P underscore DEPT and O. P means parameter. P means parameter. I declare as DEPT dot DEPT and O percentile type. P dname. DEPT dot dname percentile type. P location. DEPT dot LOC percentile type. Yes. Begin. And DEPT insert procedure. Insert into DEPT values of P DEPT and O, P dname, P location. DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line. Record insert. Yes. Yes, case here, record inserted. So, procedure created, guys. See, while calling this procedure, just we are inputting a department number or name or location. What you are passing values, those are stored in department table. So, execute DEPT insert procedure of 60. Department name, economics. I have it. Unique constant, already 60 is there. Okay. Up provided 70. Yes, record inserted, guys. Self start from DEPT. 70 economics Hyderabad. Again, I call the procedure with suppose 50. Maths Secunderabad. 50 maths. Okay, guys. So this is the example insert procedure using insert command. Procedures using insert command. Procedures using insert command. Right. Next one is guys. If you have any doubts, just ask me in the chat box. Okay. Any doubts? Now, next one is stored procedure using breadcrumb. Right, guys. So stored procedure using update command. So write a stored procedure to increment employee salary based on given percentage. Based on given percentage. So create or replace procedure. Procedure name is employee increment procedure of what we are inputting, guys. If you try to increment the employee salary, we have some inputs are required. What we try to input? First one is the employee number is required because to whom to increment employee, to whom to increment the salary, compulsory, the employee number is required. The first thing. The second thing is how much you try to increment. That is also is required. So P employee number, EMP dot EMPNO percentage type, P increment number is bigger. Or as given percentage, na? So I give the percentage, PPCT. How much percentage you try to increment? Percentage. So update EMP set salary equal to salary plus salary star PCT by 100, where employee number equal to P underscore employee. So what you provide that employee number, corresponding employee number, salary is incremented. That is. So if SQL percentile found, we discussed already in explicit implicit cases found dbms output dot hook underscore line record updated or salary incremented. See guys, you have one doubt. Sir, if you want to write this employee record not found, you try to use exception handling concept, right? But the thing is, So, except handling, we try to write generally, but for this manipulation commands, except handling not supported, guys. Not supported means for this program. That means one record is updated or inserted. How to identify? Actually, see, is it employee? Sorry. Is it employee 9000 is available? No, na. Is it returns an error? No. Zero is updated. If it returns any error message, if it returns any error message, then we can handle. But update to insert to delete to, if the record is not available, nothing returns an error. Simply zero rows inserted, zero rows updated, zero rows deleted. So in this scenario, if you try to handle this, if you try to handle this value result, then we try to use SQL found, not found, row count. Now here I'm using found. If it is found, found means at least one record is updated. Then found returns true. Then salary incremented. Zero was updated. At the time this condition is false. Then employee record now. These are the important techniques, guys. Okay. Name is already used in existing object. Means with the name already is there. I think with the same name function is there. That is a problem. Okay. If different object is there, it is not created, guys. If it is procedure is there, with the same emp underscore increment, if any existing procedure is there, that is replaceable. But with the same name, any other object is there. Any other object means either table or function or procedure or package or anything is there. At the time, our procedure is not replaced. Okay, guys? That is. Right, guys. I changed my processor name, emp increment proc. Show errors. If you got any errors, show errors. It shows error messages. Okay? Show errors. Okay? Now, here we got some error end invalid identifier. Because our procedure name is employee increment procedure, right? But here what we using? Employee increment. Okay. PCP. P underscore PCP, right? Here what I'm using, only PCT I'm using. That is wrong, no? See guys, at the time of typing the program, at the time of compilation, okay, if the procedure is successfully created, nothing you will get the knowledge. When your procedure is successfully created, means once you can do copy paste. Here, I do the copy here. This is my program. Suppose I give it to you now. This document I sent your mail address, right? If you ready to practice now, once you can do this copy and paste here, directly procedure is created and is executed. But you nothing get any knowledge. Okay. So you should be type each and every line. That is a practice actually. You can do that each and every line type and compile the program. Suppose if you got some errors, 10 errors, 15 errors. Okay, suppose you got 15 errors. Your program is 10 lines code, but you got 15 errors. No problem at all. At that time only your knowledge is increased. Okay, because you should be read each and every line, what it is going on, where is the error, and you can understand the logic at that time only. In our computer subject, practice makes man's perfect, and we have one quotation is there. But not only practice, along practice, errors also. Okay, guys, errors are most important. How many errors you can solve, that much of knowledge you will get actually. Okay, right, guys. So procedure is created. Then what we can do now? Execute employee increment procedure of here I'm passing employee number is 7839. I take increment 10%. Salary incremented. Suppose I pass 9,000. Is it available here? 50% I take increment, but employee record not found. This is the example procedure uh, using update command guys. Okay. So the next one is procedure using delete command. Procedure using delete command. Create or replace procedure name is delete emp underscore delete. Of simply are passing number only, right? P underscore employee number emp dot emp and O percent of type is begin end of emp underscore delete. Simply write down delete from emp where employee number equal to P underscore employee number. If SQL percentage found, then dbms underscore output dot put underscore line of record deleted successfully. Yes, record not found. And employee record not. This is the example, guys. This is the example. Yes, procedure is created, guys. Execute emp underscore delete of 7902. Just I pass 7902. Record deleted successfully. Again 7902, not found. Because just what is deleted, na? This is the example, guys. These are the small programs, but these are very important. All right. Next one is So procedure with cursors. Procedures using cursors. Write a stored procedure. Stored procedure to declare bonus. To declare bonus of every employee based on given conditions. If employee job is manager or analyst. Or else if grade is employee grade is 1 or 2, then 50%. Employee grade is 3 or 4, then 30% increment. For other grades, 10%. For other grades, 10%. And the increment details should be bonus details. Bonus details should be stored in employee bonus table. This is the condition. This is the condition, guys. So first you create the bonus table. Create a bonus table. Create table bonus underscore DB. Create bonus underscore DB of employee number, number of, and bonus and number of bonus date. Bonus date. Date. Grade. Number of. This is the table, guys. Once the employee got the bonus, the employee information I have to maintain a separate table. For that table here, we are maintaining these columns. After that, processor and processor. Create or replace procedure. Employee bonus procedure. Create a replace procedure, employee bonus procedure. So for this procedure, parameters are not required. Directly can start. But I try to find the grade of the employee. Grade is available in salary grade table. Right or not? For this program, employee ID is required, employee salary is required, and his grade also is required. These three columns are required. So select employee number, salary, grade from EMP comma salary where cell between low cell and high cell. That is. See guys, these are the employee grades. See guys, some in my database table, in my employee table, some records are deleted. So I try to pick my original table. So original table file is available on demo BLE table, right? Demo BLE tables. This is in original table, right? Because in this table, grades are one grade also coming. That's why select the employee number, salary, grade, and EMP comma salary. Low salary, low salary, high salary. This is okay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So this query I placed in cursor. Okay, cursor. Cursor name is C1. Or else E underscore cursor is select statement we write. This is. So this total data is coming into the E cursor. I declare variables are E underscore cursor percentage float. Means for E it allocates three locations. One location name is employee number, second one is salary, next one is grade. Three locations are created, guys. Okay, next. After that, is any other variables are required? You try to find out. If it is right now, we are not decided, no issues. Directly you can start the program directly. Okay. I declare okay. Now open E underscore cursor. I open the cursor. If E underscore cursor percentage is open, then remember or not, we discussed these programs. If cursor open successfully. Okay, guys. Next, so first loop. And loop, this is a common structure, right? These are the common structure to write the program. Okay, right. Loop. Now fetch E underscore cursor into E. Exit when E underscore cursor percentage. Now, first record is fetching from E cursor. What the first record? 736,801. That is copied into E. So E dot employee number 7369. E dot salary is 800. E dot grade is 1. That is okay. We know when it is exit now. If there is no data, then it is exit. Until then, a loop is going on. Okay, right. Now here what have I done here? Next one. If E dot grade in 1 comma 2, right? If the grade is in 1 comma 2, then what we can do? That is. Else if E dot grade in 3 comma 4, then what we can do? Else means for other grades, what we can do? This is the structure. If the grade is 1 and 1 comma 2, then what we can do, guys? We try to increment 50% salary, 50% bonus. So I declare one variable here, V underscore bonus. I declare as a number. Now, V underscore bonus equal to V underscore bonus equal to E dot salary corresponding employee salary star 0.5. First employee grade is 1, right or wrong? First employee grade is 1. Yes, grade is available 1 comma 2. Yes, conditions 2. Corresponding employee salary 800 into 0.5 means so 400 rupees. The 400 employee got that bonus, that is V bonus. Okay, if the employee grade is in 3 comma 4, 30% bonus, that is called 0.3 or 0.3, 0.3. Okay, 0.3. Okay, else for other jobs, so 10%. So 0.1. All right, guys. Okay, this condition, this control structure, calculate the bonus of the employee. Okay, right. After that, update employee table, set existing salary equal to salary plus V underscore bonus. I did increment employee salary 800 na, 8 plus bonus 400 na, 1200 becomes to whom? Where employee number equal to E dot employee number. E dot employee number is currently 7369. First card is coaching na, first employee salary incremented. And same information I did insert into my bonus table, insert into bonus underscore DB. Values of E dot employee number. What the columns are there? Employee number is there. Right? Where is that? EMP bonus. Huh? Which table we created, guys? Bonus table not created. Okay. Not created. Just we discussed only inside the table, inside the database. Table is not created. Okay. So bonus DB table is created. Describe bonus underscore DB. Employee. Okay. Employee number. Bonus date. Today date only. So 6 date. Grade. E dot grade. Bonus amount. Where it is available? V underscore bonus variable. Okay. This is. But these two we can place inside that loop only. Okay. Right, guys. After that, end loop. End loop means what happens? Again loop. Second record is fetching. Again, second record employee bonus is calculated. The bonus increment to employee table and the information inserted into employee bonus table. Same like it is going on till no data found. Then control come to the end loop. Here I display some message, successful message. We can write the successful message after end loop only, guys. If you try to write inside the end loop, then what happens? The successful message displays each and every time. Loop na, inside the loop to write any statement na, that statement is repeated na until exit. So after end loop only, we can find the status. Put underscore line. Salary increment. Bonus declared successfully. Bonus declared successfully. Then completed, guys. Completed. Program is completed. Understand, guys? Lines of code. Yes, procedure is created, no errors. Now, before executing the procedure, these are the employee salaries. Now, EXEC, EMP, bonus, procedure. EMP, bonus, procedure. Enough. Cursor open successfully, bonus declared successfully. Select start from employee table. Here, previously 800, now it becomes as 1200, 1600, 2080. Next one is check this bonus table. So let's start from bonus underscore DB. Here, grade 1, they got the bonus amount. Today, incremented. Yes, this is the example, guys. See, in this program, we can do some modifications also. We can do, means you can add some logic also. What logic? Here in this bonus DB table, in this bonus database table, how much percentage they got? That information is not available, right? 10%, 50%, on their salary, how much they got the bonus. That is not available. Okay. So you can do that some enhancement inside this program. What we can do now? Inside this employee DB table, bonus table, add one more column. Add one more column. Increment percentage. INCR PCT. INCR PCT. Then, so inside this loop, inside the loop, you try to give that corresponding bonus increment also. How much percentage they want to increment, that also you can try to input. This is the enhancement of our program. Okay. Once you complete this execution of this program, okay, once you understand the total logic, then you try to enhance the program to add the percentage also. For 1 and 2, how much? 50%, huh? That is. The information we try to insert into bonus too. But where you can declare this 10, 50% or 30%, 10% based on these conditions. That is the main logic, guys. Okay. Add one more column in employee bonus DB table, and we try to increment. You can place the variable here. But how to find out the 50 or 30 or 10? That is we are placing inside this logic actually. Okay. Try to implement that one. Okay, guys. See, here we are executed this program and we got output. In real time, what happens now? They write this program. The program is available. Every means they write one triggered program. Trigger program means triggering. Automatically, your program is calling based on the condition. What the condition? Suppose the company is incrementing employee bonus they declared every year December month, December 31st. So the program executed every year 31st December or 31st March. When they want increment, at that time only they get increment. So some programs are automatically executed, guys. If you want to execute the program automatically, you should be set that date and time. Automatically, our program is executed. Okay, that is called triggering. We can call. How to trigger that information we'll discuss in triggers concept. We discuss. We have that trigger concept is there. At the trigger now, we try to execute this procedure based on the given date and time. Okay, guys. That one also we discuss in triggers concept. Okay, guys. So these are procedures with parameters, procedure with cursors. Okay. So any doubts in this program, guys? Understand, huh? So next, procedure with parameters, guys. Procedures with parameter modes. That is. What is meaning of procedure with parameter modes? See, in the procedure syntax, we discuss argument, mode, data type. We know argument, P employee number, data type is number or something. What about this mode? The mode represented type of the parameter. The mode represented type of this parameter. Means that parameter is taking input into program or not. Okay, na? The status of the parameter defined by parameter modes. Okay. How to declare these parameter modes? So what is the importance of these parameter modes? Guys, coming session we'll discuss one by one. Okay. Right. Guys, any doubts? No. Okay. Right.